It's such a nice day. I ordered things from the grocery store. The grocer should probably be here any minute. They are really good like that, honey.
Let me go and welcome him at the door. And after that, we can finally start on our journey to explore the mountainside.
What are you doing, Mutlu?
I'm trying to affect Yumuk's dream, Father. I'm whispering things to see in his ear. Thanks to me, he's going through some great adventures in his dreams.
Interesting. So you're telling me that you're telling him what he'll see in his dream, and he lives it like that.
Of course! We were pirates first, and we sailed all of the seas. And we sailed over the huge waves and fought with the dangerous storms. We're now heading to the mountains.
Boy, this is great.
Here you are. I brought your order, sir. Looks to me like you're having a good time with the kids this weekend.
This weekend, we have visitors from outer space staying with us. Their spaceship was apparently broken, and they'll be our guests for as long as it takes to fix it.
From outer space, huh? You really are so funny, sir. From outer space?
I'm telling you, they're here flying around.
Of course. You can't fool me, sir. You are a mature man. Why are you saying things like this? There's got to be a rope. They came from the stars? Ah, that's something to laugh at.
Would you look at that? I couldn't make the man believe.